It's really hard to like be human when you're going through a breakup. No?
You like that? You want to see what I eat today?
Guys, I got my ears pierced on the weekend. Do I look like a real girl? It's just a joke. Like Pinocchio, real boy. We should cue that footage. Steven, cue the footage.
Am I a real boy?
Okay, now we are going to view some more apartments. Yeah, this is my least favorite thing to do, but hopefully find something because September 1st is in 1 week. But there's literally no way I'm gonna get by September 1st. Sorry, Joe.
Won't even be here September 1st.
Yeah, we're not even gonna be here on September 1st, so.
What is that? There's gotta be a switch. Whatever. A few gears here and there.
Wow, that is bright.
The light in the double windows into like the semi-skylight here and in here.
This is nice. What are your thoughts?
The way that they did this, with the blocking off back here, that's just kind of funny.
Interesting bathroom. Oh. Pretty nice.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah. You have the wood ceilings, the exposed duct, exposed brick. Not every unit in this building has a balcony, so you have one that's relatively on the quiet street.
Cute.
That's actually cute.
Good morning. Oh god. It is 9:19 and we are sitting outside of F45. We're doing a workout this morning because we leave for Lake Louise tomorrow with Revolve, which is crazy. I have never been to Lake Louise, but a lot of the American people are like, are you so excited for Canada? I'm like, well, I live here. Yeah, I'm really excited for Lake Louise. But let's get this workout in. And then the Fairmont will have a gym. So we'll work out there. But I'm so tired. I get my period next week, so I'm fucking exhausted. Every week leading up to my period, I'm like, I could sleep for 12 hours, no problem. Absolutely no problem, 100% sleep. I know this for a fact. All right, let's go. We're at a studio. I forgot like everything that I needed. They're playing music in here. I forgot a mic. I'm having a day, guys. I'm having a day where so I can't really do anything I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna take a few photos, but definitely did not need to rent a studio for this. You know, everyone has those days where you're just you're not there. Why'd I do that? But the studio is really cool. Kind of Moroccan vibe. Or like Tulum vibe. I'm gonna take the 2 photos and then call it a day, I guess. Go home and film. Did it again. Now introducing the wickedly talented Adele Fezzi. It's like a running joke to my family. Adele Fezzi, the wickedly talented. Wicked. Like, is he okay? No, he's not. This is really, I'm gonna die. Like, what the fuck? That's crazy. I'm never going to this again. We're always late. 45 minutes late. Leave 45 minutes early. Pouring rain. Every time.
Catch me taking a selfie. Okay. I'm done with today.
This is nice.
This is really nice, huh?
That's big.
Wow.
Ooh. Let's turn on some lights. What's going on here? I like it here.
Right? This is nice. I thought that you would like this because it's a little more character than this is nice.
Wait, is this a 2-bedroom?
Yeah. Right?
Wow, I really like it. Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure, where's my phone? It's not even
Oh my
this
God.
expensive one that we're going. You have parking, everything's good except for hydro cable.
Huh?
Oh, this is the red thing. Yeah. So, like, if that was not that color, it'd be
Oh, I like
just
this
go look at the
kitchen.
ceiling, you know? This is nice.
It is nice.
What do you think compared to the one we just saw? 2 girls for sure over here.
Ooh. I get so much shit for this. Eating meat after the rainforest on fire. So, I think we're putting an offer on the place. Exciting. Today was tough. I think I found a place, which is good, but like also shitty. Now I'm gonna go pack for Lake Louise, and do you think every vlog is gonna be me crying for the next month? Okay, so I'm gonna pack for Lake Louise. I gotta get my shit together. Dasha is gonna sleep over tonight because we're leaving early. Yeah, sad girl summer, let me tell you. So I'm just gonna pack. I got new packing cubes from Away, just these white ones. Away has packing cubes. Then I also got these things for your luggage. They have tiles in them so you can track where your luggage is, because I'm so afraid of losing my luggage, like so afraid. Especially sometimes I put my cameras in there, and I know it's stupid, but sometimes I have to, and I'm afraid of losing them. So I got these tile things, so you download the app and then you can track where these are, and they are attached to your luggage. I got the packing cubes, and we're just gonna take a smaller checked bag because it's gonna be kind of cold. Oh, we're going to Lake Louise with Revolve tomorrow. I definitely don't think it's gonna be hot. Good start to the trip. Our flight was canceled. Welcome to Lake Louise. We are in Banff. No, we're in, this is Banff?
Banff National Park, yeah.
There we go. Look at the view. We're with Revolve. Revolve Around the World is doing Canada. I'm very excited about it. We're gonna go view the lake, and then we're gonna go have dinner. I'm ready, wearing all Revolve. This is our room.
Stand up.
Paradise. It's no quick smaller pool.
It's no quick small pool.
It literally never even does it justice. Look at the water. Yum. This is no dairy. Delicious. Okay, everyone. This is how Allegra sleeps in a bed by herself. Excuse me?
I've been sleeping with someone for so long. Give me a fucking break.
You're literally not even in the middle of two sides.
Look.
You're on the edge.
Like
You're touching the edge.
but I like that it's tucked and I can't fall out.
You're the opposite of me. I need to untuck ASAP.
I'm a big tuck. I like being a little sausage.
That's cold. Ryan. Is that smaller than
It's 5 degrees. I'm like, this is what I was originally gonna wear today, just a tank. Oh, okay. Get a buff for her next. Come out, full backpack.
I know.
We're going up the gondola. Gondola. Oh fuck, don't put my coffee cup in here. We're going up the gondola. We're from Toronto.
Oh,
Yeah.
whereabouts you live? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And
I live in like Kensington market area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's great.
It's great. I think a lot of the people are realizing that, you know, don't wait.
Yeah. Oh, thoughts? Okay, so we're in Banff right now, and we just had lunch at Sky Bistro. That's Sulphur Mountain. Anyway, it's so beautiful. Like, this is so crazy. Canada is just next level. Stunning. Now we're gonna explore some more and then head back. We got home after the mountain and rested for a little, and then we got ready. I am wearing these jeans from Girlfriend Denim. They're like my flared ones. You guys have seen them. Then I'm just wearing an Uncle tied up tee. Just simple, casual. We're going for dinner back in Banff, so we're gonna go head there. I don't think I showed you our room, but it's pretty standard room. Really tired. Wow, we have such a nice view from my bed. That mountain's nice. I also am so gross that I didn't redo my makeup. I just put more makeup on top of my makeup. So lazy, so tired. So let's head for dinner. It's Greek food. Yum!
Yum!
Yum! Cute boots. Shut up. Allegra's doing her favorite activity, which is stare at the wall.
My favorite activity is this.
Stealing.
Oh, I'm gonna have one here. Whose puffer is that? That's Nina's.
That's Nina's puffer.
She's still at the restaurant. The puffer girl.
Perfect. That's all I had to say. Good morning. It's like 8:15. I feel like I've been talking to you a lot this trip. I woke up kind of late. Didn't shower. We're going to canoe on Lake Louise. Oh, should I bring it? I think it's cold.
What, jacket?
Yeah. Can never tell what the temperature is. But I'm just gonna bring my Uncle Cargo coat. You can wear it if you're cold. Now we're gonna go canoeing on Lake Louise. And then I don't really know what the schedule today. We're doing like, I think we're going back to Banff. Well, Sasha's been here before. She lived in Jasper, Alberta for a while. Lake Louise is like just this. Just this hotel and like a little thing down there. But I'm excited. Canoeing. I'm wearing this cardigan from Revolve. Oh, I can't see, it's bright. Jeans. Nothing too, oh. Very casual trip, obviously, because like we're in the Rockies. Some people are definitely not dressed casually. Holy fuck. This is wild. This light is really nice. This camera's not doing it justice at all, but look how beautiful this is, guys.
Oh, the bonus is actually that way.
Where?
Over there.
This way? I just need to get the view, you know? Looking real cute.
Am I a real boy?
So we're in the middle of Lake Louise on a canoe. My phone rings. I have to pick it up. It's my real estate agent. And I got a place. They accepted my offer. Well, there's like a few conditions that I need to like look over and stuff, but they accepted my offer, so we're moving. Yay! Oh my god, the place is really nice. It's amazing. Okay, so I have to go back to canoeing now because there's a lot going on here. But yay! We're at Park Distillery, Banff.
Oh my god, that's so good.
I just got this cocktail called the Sawback. Sasha got a coffee one. With vodka. Nina, what are you gonna get?
I don't know, there's so many options.
I know.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm trying this. So a double is a coffee order with 2 cream, 2 sugars, and you usually order it at Tim Hortons. Do it again? Yeah. And I also need to the double is a coffee order with 2 cream and 2 sugar, and you order it usually at Tim Hortons. And I was just like,
Me too. All right, so we just like hung out, ate. Now I feel really sick from eating. We're watching Friends. Tonight we're just have a bonfire, but it's like thunderstorming out, which like I'm down for. I love a good thunderstorm. Instead, we're gonna go drink in the lobby. So we're gonna go meet the Revolve team downstairs and drink in the lobby. Good morning. It is the last day of the trip. We were supposed to go on the hike this morning. I'm wearing my Stella McCartney sports bra. But it was like pouring rain and super foggy, so it was canceled, and now we're just getting some work done, and then we're gonna go back into Banff. And we're gonna go to the Fairmont there and have lunch, which should be good. And then I don't really know, we're supposed to go on like a boat cruise. It's kind of gloomy and rainy out. I mean, it's really pretty. Hold on, let me just zoom in. So lazy, won't get up. Kind of, oh, very pretty. Wow, look at those trees. Yeah, kind of gloomy. So I'm not really 100% sure what we're gonna do, but still need to get some content. But right now I'm just gonna finish up some work, obviously. Just around Fairmont Banff, and we're gonna have lunch, but we're gonna shoot some workout stuff. Sasha wearing jeans. Cute, right? I didn't even know you were filming me.
That's good.
Yes!
That's great. More problems. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
The rain could be so chic. I like the blondies. I love honeydew more than cantaloupe. Freak. Take a poll.
I like honeydew or cantaloupe better. I like honeydew better, but everyone says I'm a psycho.
Yeah. What's the other fruit we talked about? What's the one that we had in Mexico that I hated?
Passion fruit.
Blech. It's on the agenda for the rest of the day.
Going, okay, first, Scenic Drive, and Hopefully.
I also like didn't bring another Revolve outfit. So I'm wearing all day. What else could I wear? I don't think I have anything else.
The windbreaker.
I don't think I brought it.
You did.
I did?
Yeah.
I didn't. I took it out.
Why?
Did I bring it?
I thought so. I said, are you gonna wear that? You said maybe, and you put it in your bag.
And then I took it out with the rest of the stuff. Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Drive right now, and we're at Surprise Point. I think it's called Surprise Lookout Point or something. And look, sorry, there's people, but this is the Banff Fairmont that we were just in. Pretty, very Hogwartsy. Cheers. We're on a boat right now. Eating. Yum.
Welcome aboard the Daughter of the Peaks 2. My name's Alyssa. Beside me is the wonderful and talented Captain Kenji. Can everyone give him a wave? And at the back, who's going to be serving your drinks and refreshment is Shay. She's way back there. Give her a wave. Is everyone excited to get going? Yeah. Fantastic.
People out there. What? People out there. So agoraphobic.
Here are people.
Like public spaces.
Back in the room.
Ladies, this is how Allegra sleeps.
No, it's not. I actually like this.
Stay staring at the ceiling. Fully tucked. Who else's pet peeve other than me is their pet peeve this? Fully tucked in.
Love it. Good morning. Morning. We're leaving today.
Air. It's so nice. It's really like North Bay to me, this kind of air. Aww. Nostalgia.
If you're from North Bay, comment down below.